In this video, I will be showing you how to embed a Gamma AI presentation on Squarespace. Let's get started. I'm beginning here on my Gamma dashboard where all of my recent projects are organized. I'll go ahead and click on the Video AI Technology Guide to open the presentation I want to share. As the page loads, I can see the full layout and design of my work. Now, I'll navigate to the top right corner and click the Share button to open up my distribution options. Before I grab the code, I need to make sure the permissions are set correctly. I'll check that anyone with the link is set to view so that the embed works for every visitor. Next, I'll click on the Embed tab on the left side of the window. This displays the iframe code snippet that I'll need for my website. I'll click Copy Embed Code, and once I see that copied message, I'm all set. To finish the process on Squarespace, I simply need to add a code block to my page and paste this iframe code. And there you have it. That's the complete process of embedding a Gamma AI presentation on Squarespace.